Hello everybody, this clip will start the preparation clips for test number 3, and I would like to introduce the operation that I never mentioned yet, operation named concatenation. Concatenation is a unit that connects two or more words in a text. Look at this worksheet. You will see the first name, and I will even put here first, here the last, and this is domain. Okay, so I would like to put email address of these people, so that must be first underscore last and then at mec.kun.edu. So how to approach to this thing? First of all, operation is concatenate. But to make this operation, I would like to make the long opening like this for the email address. First, that will be operation concatenate. Then we will open parentheses. And I would like to take first name, then comma. After comma, I will include text, but the symbol string for text must be in quotations. So I will put quotation mark, underscore, and then quotation mark to close. That will be real underscore in between. Now I'll put comma, comma to open the next item. Next item will be last name. After that, I would like to put comma and to put quotation mark at quotation mark close. That will be textual symbol. And then again comma, and then I will go for MEC. That will be MEC domain name, and then I'll put comma again, put quotation mark, and then I will put .cuny.edu close quotation mark, and then close parentheses. Folks, when I check, you will see a pretty good one, Ivan Baptist mec.kun.edu. But what's happened if I would like to move it down with field handle? You will see something wrong. You see MEC is absent. MEC is absent. And I know why. Let me get back. Because MEC is now present in C4, C5, C6 and C7. So what I need to do? I need to make MEC cell absolute. To make it absolute, I need to put $sign before the letter and $sign before the number, and then check. Nothing changed. But if we go to bring it down, that will be very correct concatenation. So folks, please consider. Hello everybody, this is continuation of preparation for exams. And then I would like to introduce a new version of operation if. If, folks, is conditional operation. Before we start this new version of operation, I would like to remind you that operation if we go for any cell and organize operation if for this, I will show you this is logical operation. Operation if contains three different parts. First is a logical test. Logical test is what you ask to. For example, if something is greater than or less than, which could be true or false. So logical test, it's a one logical test, single logical test for something. For example, permission for your vehicle will be given if the vehicle weight is less than 2,000 pounds. And if this is true, so for true, you will have permission. For false, you will not have permission. But different situation. In our case, we have two different parameters. We have not only weight for the vehicle, we have weight and length. And we have a bridge actually which permit you to come through if your vehicle is about less than 3,000 pounds and length of the vehicle is less than 10 feet. So this is two conditions simultaneously, and in this case we need to use conjunction. Conjunction in Excel term is operation AND. So let's try to figure out what we can do. Let's position our cursor for the cell where permission will be given or not given, and then I will put cursor in the formula bar. Differently, we will start with equal sign, and then I will put operation if. Then I will open parentheses. And I would like to put conjunction, which is and. Then I open another parenthesis, which will be contain the condition for two different parameters of the car. First of all, I will calculate for the Honda. So that will be D4 will be less or equal 3,000 pounds, then comma, and length, which is E4, will be less or equal 10 feet. Then I will close parenthesis, and after this I would put comma. I'll put what's happened if it's true, if it's satisfactory. So I'll put quotation and put go. Go meaning go through the bridge. Then again the comma, and if it false, I will put stop. Permission, stop, not given. Folks, let's try to figure out what's going on. Equal sign. Now you can see the first Honda. The weight is 3,400 with normal 3,000. And length is 22 feet with a normal 10. So definitely it will be stopped. Now folks, I will go for all of them and then we will see which vehicle stop. Definitely Ford will go because 2,200 is less and length is less. Then Volvo is stop, Renault is go, and Fiat is go. So again, take a look the formula. If open parenthesis and for two conditions coming inside through the comma, and then result. First, what happened if yes. Second, what's happened if no.